Hello everyone! Have you ever wondered if you can sneeze while you're asleep? It's an interesting question that many people have pondered. Let's explore whether sneezing can occur during sleep. While it's possible for some people to sneeze while they're asleep, it's relatively uncommon. The reason for this is that sneezing is a reflex action controlled by the nervous system, and during sleep, certain reflexes are inhibited to prevent disturbances. When you're asleep, your body undergoes various physiological changes, including reduced muscle activity and relaxation of the respiratory system. These changes help promote restful sleep and prevent disruptions to your sleep cycle. However, in some cases, sneezing can occur during sleep, particularly if you're experiencing nasal congestion or irritation due to allergies, colds, or other respiratory conditions. In these instances, the body may still respond to the presence of irritants in the nasal passages by triggering a sneeze, even while asleep. It's worth noting that sneezing during sleep is more likely to occur during lighter stages of sleep, such as rapid eye movement sleep, when brain activity is more active and muscle tone is not as deeply relaxed as during deep sleep. In conclusion, while it's possible to sneeze during sleep, it's relatively uncommon due to the body's natural mechanisms for promoting restful sleep and inhibiting reflex actions. However, in certain circumstances, such as nasal congestion or irritation, sneezing may still occur, particularly during lighter stages of sleep. Please follow for more daily fun facts and see you later. Goodbye.